Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new Crypto.com app tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your money out of the Crypto.com app and into your bank account. This is an updated version, so please do leave a like if you find this helpful. Now when you load up the Crypto.com app, you'll see your total balance at the top of the screen. Now this total balance at the top is the accumulation of all of the money you have in your Crypto.com account. Cash, stuff for your card, and your crypto. So then at the bottom, if we then tap accounts, what we will see is all of the accounts that we have. We have our crypto wallet, which is where all of our crypto is stored that's not being staked. So you can see right here all of the crypto that I own. And then we have down here, we have the Crypto.com Visa card, all of the money that I have that is on my Visa card. And then we have the Fiat Wallet, which is where all of the money that I've sent to the Crypto.com account that's still in dollars or pounds is going to be. So if you look at your total balance and we can see it's above zero and you would like to withdraw that money, assuming it's not locked in, what you can do, if you see the crypto that you want to sell in the crypto wallet section, tap on it. So for example, ICP right here, tap sell, and then sell that crypto for cash. Now you can choose to either have it in your Euro wallet or your British pounds wallet. Complete that sale. Once you've completed that sale, it will then transfer all that crypto, the value of that crypto that you just sold, to your Fiat Wallet, which is down here. Now, if you tap Fiat Wallet, that is exactly what you'll see. Your total value of that will now be increased, or the value that you just sold the crypto for. And then to get the money to your bank account, you want to tap transfer. Then select withdraw. Choose the currency of your bank account. So for me, it's Great British Pounds. And then it will say this, it gives you a process of what to do to withdraw the money to your bank account. Now, let me explain this to you. Now, the way that you withdraw money on the Crypto.com app is that firstly, you need to make sure both your bank account is connected to the Crypto.com app and vice versa. Now, to do this, what you have to do is you have to take the Crypto.com app bank details and send them a deposit. So as we can see, to activate the connection between our bank and the Crypto.com app, which allows us to withdraw money in the long run, we have to complete step 1, activate, deposit funds in GBP via faster payment service network to this app once to register your bank account. So what this means is we have to send money to the Crypto.com app to our Fiat wallet. This can be £1, and if this is done, you'll then be able to withdraw money to your bank account. So for example, if you haven't done this and you're struggling to withdraw, to get the details to send that money to, simply come out of this and come out of this, select transfer, select deposit, select your currency, and then it will give you the details of the Crypto.com app bank, which you need to send money to, and you have to include your unique code. And once this information and this transaction has occurred, your account will be linked to the Crypto.com app. This will then mean that when we go to transfer to withdraw money, it will be a very simple process. So we've then completed activating step 1. Step 2 to get your money out of the Crypto.com app is to simply make a request. Submit a withdrawal request, and it takes 2 to 4 days. So you select withdraw now, and it has to be above £70 for the withdrawal to work. And then all of the money from your Fiat wallet, whatever that is, you'll then be able to type in that number here. So let's say, for example, 500. And then it would say withdraw, it would say confirm, and then it would allow you to withdraw that funds to your bank account, and you would get them in 2 to 4 days. Now, I hope that has helped you, and I hope that that is very clear. If you have enjoyed this, please do leave a like and subscribe. Any further information, please do look on their website, as I'm not a financial advisor or Crypto.com expert. So please, I hope this helps you. Take care, leave a like and subscribe.